Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I'm going to be going over all the initial steps you need and setup installation steps you need to get started with your Computer Forensics labs. So the first thing I'll just show you, I'll be pasting all the links which I'm going to be going over here in the description. So you just have to head over to, yeah, so we're gonna be using a VM called Kali, and that VM and we're gonna be using that throughout our labs. So I will be pasting this link in the description of the video so it's easier for you. So you just have to go here into the Kali VM and into the pre-built VMs. Then you can just click on the VirtualBox link, and there's just one prerequisite for this. Yeah, you just have to have VirtualBox installed, or if you want to choose any other VM you'd like, you can go ahead with that, but I'd recommend VirtualBox because I've been using that and it has no issues with that. So as soon as you click the VirtualBox and you click on this link, a download will get started and it's gonna take a while. I'm just gonna pause mine because I've already done my download. So it's a 2.9 GB file. As you can see, it's gonna take a little while. So as soon as you download it, head over to your head over to your downloads, and you this will be your downloaded zip file. It's gonna be named Kali Linux 2024 version 1. So as soon after you unzip it, yeah, these will be the set of files. So .vdi file, we'll be using the .vbox file because VirtualBox, and you can just open your Oracle VM VirtualBox manager. Once you open this, you can go over to file, sorry, machine, and just click add, and then you can head over to wherever you downloaded the 2024 one version. Open that and click on the .vbox file. Just click open, and it should open your, yeah, it should open your file in the VirtualBox. The only thing I'd recommend is just once you open this, go over to the head to the settings and just check the network setting. The network settings is supposed to be NAT. If it's not NAT, it's gonna show you errors when you're trying to download and install software. So since it's NAT, we're all good. I'm gonna start the machine. It's gonna take a little while when you first starting it. Once it starts up, this is the first screen you're gonna be seeing. So the password for this system is Kali, Kali, and Kali. If you want to if you kind of forget what the password is, you can always go back to the kali.org, go to pre-built VMs, and here you'll be able to see the credentials. So this is what you can refer, and I'm gonna just type in that Kali, and we're in. So this will be the screen and this will be your system. Okay, now I'm gonna go over what labs we're gonna go in, and this is the repository for the labs. I'm gonna be putting this link in the description as well. So yeah, this is the digital forensics lab, and in specific we are gonna be going over the set of investigating illegal possession of images lab. So these are all the labs, and if you so the first one I'm just gonna be showing you, this video is gonna take a go over the first one, which is basically setting up Wireshark in your system because Wireshark is needed for your other labs. So for the PPTs, you can just click on this link. It's gonna go over here, and you can hit the download raw file, and that's gonna be downloaded. And Yeah, so this is the PPT which we'll be going over, and here we're gonna be going over the Wireshark part of it, capturing HTTP traffic using Wireshark part. So the first thing I'd recommend before even trying to install Wireshark is go over to your Kali Linux and open the terminal. We'll be using this one, the terminal emulator. Yeah, or you can even use the using this one is better honestly. So yeah, just use this one. So I'm just gonna be going to ls and I'm going to be creating a different directory in the documents folder. So mkdir is just for creating directory. I'm going to be naming it lab1. So ls, so cd lab1. So yeah, now since I'm here, the first thing I want you to do before even trying to install Wireshark is, because this is a pre-built system, usually all of the libraries libraries we're going to be using are going to be pre-built. So just type Wireshark dash dash help. So if you see this, you're basically it's basically you have Wireshark installed and you don't have to worry about it. I'll just in the last part of the video, you can skip to the last part of the video where I just show how to check how to open a log file with Wireshark. But now I'm going to be going over if Wireshark is not enabled for you, what you can do is you can go head back to the PPT. The PPT is going to show you. So you should type in this command sudo reconfigure Wireshark common. So I'm going to be typing that. So that's gonna be sudo reconfigure. Oops, I misspelled it. So yes, sudo reconfigure Wireshark common, and as soon as you click enter, you'll be able, it'll ask you the password for Kali. The password is KALI, and you'll be shown the screen. You just have to click yes, that's an enter, and we have to add the current user to the Wireshark group to access it. So we're going to be using sudo user mod. So sudo user mod minus a minus g. So that's sudo user mod minus a minus g Wireshark, and our user is Kali, as you can see here. So we can add Kali to the group and click enter, and then you can again check with the same command Wireshark discover help. Yep. So once your help command is working, that means Wireshark is installed successfully. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to open a log file and check if Wireshark is actually working in our thing. So we're going to be downloading a log file, and that link for the log file can be found here. So on the slide number 20, you can just copy this and just paste it here. So yeah, once it is downloaded, you can just check with ls command. Yeah, we have the basic log. So what we can do is we can type Wireshark and the name of the file. So that's basic.log. When you click enter, it'll open the Wireshark terminal and you will be able to see Wireshark in progress. So if you're able to do this, you've successfully completed your first video, the setup, and Wireshark is complete. So that's good. The next video is going to be over the first task of the lab. So thank you.